How to make Apple Watch vibrate on calls. So if your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone and you want your Apple Watch to vibrate each time you have an incoming call, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make Apple Watch vibrate on calls, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Apple Watch. Now, once you open the settings app, you want to use the little crown to scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to sounds and haptics. Then click on that. Now, once you selected sounds and haptics, scroll down the page until you see haptics and then click on it. Then once you selected haptics, you have three options available here. You have off. So if you select off, this is going to turn off vibration when you have incoming call on your Apple Watch, default or prominent. Now for consistent vibration, just go ahead and make sure you select prominent so that your Apple Watch will continue to vibrate each time you have an incoming call instead of default for it to vibrate once. So select prominent, and once you've selected prominent, hit the back button. Another thing you want to do again is you want to go back to sounds and haptics and click on it. Then here, locate the silent mode. If your Apple Watch is on silent mode, make sure you disable silent mode so that when you have an incoming call, your phone will be able to vibrate without being on silent mode. But if it's on silent mode, your Apple Watch might not be able to vibrate. You see, silent mode will not silence alarm and timer when Apple Watch is charging. So that is basically all you need to do to make sure your Apple Watch vibrates when on call. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.